we got a different type of video. It's not a backrooms reading. Lucky you. It's something else. It's something called the Trollge incidents. Now, if you don't know what it is, it's like basically taking the 2012 Rage comics and turn them into like horror. That's what it is. Think of it as Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh was like some sort of child bear, I think, but they turned it into a horror. Let's stop my babbling. Let's get into it. It's by King Troll. There'll be pinged thingy in the description. Make sure to head off to the channel, like, subscribe, and show them support. If you like reactions, horror reactions, make sure to like and subscribe to me as well. If you've got any like scary videos, it doesn't have to be Trollge or readings. You got anything scary you want me to do, just join my Discord. That will also be down below. And put in the scare ruben and just put it in thingy, and I'll make sure to try and check it out if possible. Let's just get into it. Alright then. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What type of fucking air is this? Days to the apocalypse. What the? Who's this geezer supposed to be?
You sure he lives here?
Yes.
Damn it, this pollution is making my asthma worse.
You go home. I will take it from here.
Fair play. Boy's gonna end up dead, you know. Mine's gonna die. Oh shit.
Dad, when will we get there?
Well, if the fog clears up, then we should be there in half an hour. I can't see a damn thing due to this.
Oh.
Dad, look out.
Oh. Oh god, alright. Horrible way to go.
Step 1. Get ready for another day at work.
As you normally do.
Step 2. Reach the factory.
Alright, what type of factory do you work at, mate? What the hell?
When will this end?
Beware, the apocalypse is coming. Everyone take cover and hide yourselves.
The hell are you?
Step 3. Get inside the factory. Step 4. See a quarrel happening.
I'm telling you, we need to shut down these factories. The smoke is going to cause permanent long-lasting complications for the whole population.
Who keeps letting this clown in every day? Throw this guy out already. Go away, old man. You won't change a thing.
Oh.
What are you guys looking at? Do your work already.
Sir,
What do you want?
it's important.
I'm coming. What is it?
Sir, according to our calculations, this city will be rendered inhospitable in just 5 years if we keep pumping smoke in the air. Furthermore, the presence of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in the air might even react with water and cause acid rain.
Acid rain? You're serious? It hasn't rained in Trollopolis in ages. And about the smoke, well, we will do something about it, but for now the profits are too high for us to stop our production. And besides that, if something like that happens, I have my bunker ready.
Oh, this guy, man.
Step 5.
God's will,
Go home
2Z.
now. Your shift is over. Step 6. Have difficulty driving the car due to fog.
Damn it.
Yeah. Is your window smashed?
Step 7. Reach your home. Step 8. See your windows broken.
What the hell?
Oh shit.
Hey, get out. I have a weapon and I am not afraid to use it. Hey, what the hell, stop.
Oh shit.
Step 9. The thief escaped.
He only stole some milk.
Oh.
The apocalypse is going to be here soon. I can feel it.
Okay.
Step 10. Another day at work.
As always, it's just the same thing, isn't it? Oh shit. Oh my god, just died.
What was that?
Step 11. Hear a loud voice.
Hear a loud voice.
It's happening at last. The apocalypse, it's here to take us all.
Get inside then, mate.
What the hell is happening? Why isn't everyone working?
Sir, look up. It's about to rain.
May, nothing to be so worked up about. Tell everyone to get back inside the factory. Right now.
Oh, here we go.
Step 12.
It has started to rain.
Oh. Oh. Holy shit. What the? What the fuck? What in the? What the actual? Ew.
Step 13. Hide under a roof.
The hell?
Step 14. Wait for the rain to end.
That is disgusting and disturbing. It's gonna stop raining heavier now, ain't it? Oh, what the f... December 2045. The rain incident. Oh, what the fuck? That's disgusting and actually pretty cool. No, these are actually pretty good. I mean, this one, if you want, I might make this a new series, to be honest with ya. Oh, that's actually pretty good. That's by King Trollge. Yeah, that's real good. Make sure to check them out. I'll link them in the description. I'll link my Discord as well. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.